Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Creating with Mimi. I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys this extreme home makeover. This will be two parts, so we're going to do part one today, and I'll walk you guys through some of the changes that we've made in this lovely oasis. And we're starting with this entryway, which was extremely dark before. And we brightened it up with just paint, a little wall art. This entryway spills over into the living room, and then there's a long hallway. The stairwell needed some love. She hated the carpet that was on the stairs and wanted to replace it. We needed to take the carpet off the stairwell, actually make cuts on the stairs, and then we needed to find the wood to complete and match some of the existing wood, and I think we did a fabulous job. There was no sanding or refinishing the color. I just researched and found a great alternative to match existing wood that have been in place for about 20 years. Now it's time for install day, and I love this particular day. It's like a chaos in motion, but everyone has an assignment, they know the assignment, and this team executes well. I always say to clients, hire professional movers. They will allow your day to go pretty well and just seamless. Kudos to the install team. I love you guys. You're awesome. Now we're working in the living room. These ceilings are 20 feet tall. Since it's install day, we only have a day, sometimes 2 days, to get the house completely together so that the client can review it. Any given time, there may be 3 to 4 different team member departments. Right now, you're looking at the electricians, you're looking at the drapery install team, and these guys are so professional. They work very well together, and they just execute the assignment. And just like that, I've got one panel of drapery already installed and ready to go. I can't wait for you guys to get a closer look at this drapery. It is so beautiful. I'm accenting it with a little bit of a gray, but I wanted to keep this room pretty light, pretty neutral, but have some type of texture. In this lovely dining room, we've got 20-year-old paint, the chair rail that's going around the room, and I've got rid of all of those things, installed a dynamic contemporary light fixture, and created contrast with the dark table, the muted tone fabrics on the chairs, a little bit more contrast by having a pattern on the back side of the side dining chairs, and just kept everything monotone for the host chairs.
Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other and showing you my true colors. Yeah, I don't know why it's difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help. No, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go.
We have 3 bedrooms that we're actually going to work with in this project, but I'll show you guys one bedroom today. It's the daughter's bedroom. We had all pink walls before. She is a teenager and likes the pinks, the purples, the silvers, accented it with this crazy color fabric for her window treatments. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. In the living room before, there was gray carpet, dark wall. It was the time, 15 years ago, the chocolate brown was the color to be. So updating it, taking out that dark chocolate brown that made the windows appear smaller. It's not a super large living room space, but it's a tall living room space. Some of the items that we needed to take care of and address were the damaged wood floors, and this is coming in the living room. However, the client did not have any spare flooring to utilize for the repair, so off I go to try to match the flooring. I think we came up with a pretty good compromise to match the flooring and to make it seem completely seamless. Enjoy the video and look for part 2. Be inspired, and as always, make every day a great day.
I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, babe. Why you won't tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. I will do that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. Oh, babe, don't know what you started. You just lost a friend, left me broken hearted, so you could have a taste. The grass ain't really greener, and now you see me what I wanna hear. For one night only, naked in your arms. I'll do my part if you do yours. So let's flesh attend to flesh. Come alive, come alive. Earth is crying sweet, earth is crying sweet. Take whatever that you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering. Flesh and flesh. Take whatever that you want. Flesh and flesh. Oh, so let's flesh and flesh. Come alive. Earth is crying sweet. You are free. Moonlight's whispering. Come alive. Yeah.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.